Now, let's focus. Remember we said you need to number your deliverables, you need to number your activity list. You know that on your activity list, you must have deliverables. Maybe if there are 5 of them, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 deliverables. But under each and every deliverable, you need to number. For example, if you've got deliverable number 2, you're going to have activities as 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. So here I've got deliverables here. But I expect, because this is my first deliverable, I expect to have number 1 here. But I can't just go and type. The system won't allow me. Even the activities, I must come and say 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Now, with the system, unfortunately, normally you don't have to number the milestone, but the system here, because we're using the educational version, is going to number everything. You won't be penalized for that. And again, I prefer you to number after you put all the deliverables and all the activities. So in other words, you must do everything like this for all the other deliverables, and thereafter you highlight the whole thing and you number. Don't number them one by one. So let's pretend as if this is the only deliverable that I have. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here and highlight everything from deliverable to what? Let's say to activities. So immediately after I highlight it, now because I want to number, I'm going to go and select what we call the Gantt chart format. I click on the Gantt chart format. Can you see now? Immediately when I click on the Gantt chart format, I must go to the right there. Can you see where it says outline number? This means you are going to number your deliverable, you are going to number your activities. You just have to click on it and automatically everything is going to be numbered for you. Can you see it allocated 1 to the value as a deliverable, and it accordingly it numbered the activities 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. It also numbered your milestone, but usually we don't number. But if you do this in the assessment and it numbers the deliverable there, it numbers what? The milestone, I won't penalize you for that. But as I said, guys, you only have to number after you have put all the activities and the deliverable, and then you highlight all of them. Don't do them one by one like that. So please, this is how to number your activities and your deliverable. And I hope that it makes sense.